Have you ever sat down to record a video with your script already, your lights set up, your AI prompts polished, and still thought, this doesn't feel like me? And no, your script, it's not the problem. Your setup, it's not the issue. It's actually your state. Because even if AI writes the perfect words for you, sounds like you, if your nervous system isn't regulated, your energy won't land with your audience. And your audience can feel it exactly, even if they can't explain it. I'm Krista Poborski, and I'm sharing why you might be freezing or fumble on camera, even when you're fully prepared, how to regulate your nervous system before you sit down to film, and why AI can assist you, but it can't carry your energy. So you've used AI to write your script, outline your ideas, and you know exactly what you want to say. But once that camera turns on, your throat tightens, your voice starts to sound robotic, you forget your words, or worse, you stop and say, "Ugh, that didn't feel like me." I've had clients tell me all the time, I had the script, I used ChatGPT, I prepped the bullet points, but once I hit record, something felt off. I didn't feel like myself. And that's not a content problem. It's not an AI problem. That's a nervous system problem. That's a nervous system signal. So let's talk about why that happens, because it's not up in your head. It's actually something that happens to all of us. We tend to blame the words, the setup, the strategy, but what's really off is the state that you're creating from. So if you're holding tension, shallow breathing, overthinking how you're going to be perceived, that all shows up on camera, no matter how good your AI script is. AI can't fix your strategy, but it can help you shape the message. I know that. I use it all the time. But I know when it comes down to actually filming the message, I am the transition. I can say all the right words, and yet it will feel wrong if my body isn't on board. The same is true for you. And your body, let me tell you, it's designed to do exactly that. And here's what we forget. Your brain and your body are wired for survival, not for spotlight. I hate the spotlight, but I know how to work with my energy and my body. Being seen, even through a lens, triggers the same stress response as standing in front of a crowd. Your system might freeze, fawn, or even go blank. It's not the fear of filming. It's the fear of being fully seen. And this is human. And unless you regulate before you film, your body will try to protect you by muting your message. But when you regulate, everything changes. Energy is the invisible ingredient your audience responds to most and what they want from you. It's why you watch someone with no makeup, bad lighting, but they pull you in. It might not even be a perfect, polished video. That grounded confidence, that natural flow that you feel when you're talking to a friend, that's what I'm talking about. That's what makes people lean in. And that only shows up when you're safe in your body. And when you're regulated, your real voice can come through. That's what builds connection. That's what builds trust. And let me show you how you can shift into that space before you even press that record button next time. You don't need a 20-minute meditation. You just need a 2-minute reset. So here's what you do. Before you film, you're going to get comfortable. You're going to place your feet flat on the floor. You're going to take 3 slow breaths into your body. Now, you could also stand up, move your body for 30 seconds, walk away, gentle shaking, place a hand on your heart and ask, how would I say this to someone that I care about? How would I say this to my favorite client? And then, only then, open up your AI tool and have it help you refine what you already feel clear about, like that script, right? Do that. Or if you're sitting down to do it right before you film, turn on that button and start filming. This is the sweet spot. This is how you go from sounding robotic, looking down, feeling tight. People can feel that attention. But I want to leave you with this. AI is for support, to help you come up with content ideas, expand your ideas, help you repurpose them and things like that. Your body, it's for safety. And your voice, it's for truth. So let's bring it all home. Your message, it matters. Even if it's generated with AI, your words matter. But your energy, that's what makes it land. And AI, it can't fix that for you. It can give you all the best words in the world. But if you're not grounded and ready to go, it's not going to land with your audience. Again, AI can help you with ideas, repurpose your posts, even draft your scripts. But only you can bring the energy that makes it real. So next time you sit down to film, ask yourself, have I regulated first? Or am I just trying to push through and get this content out because I know I need to? Your audience, they can feel the difference when you're in the regulated state and flowing, and so can you. So drop a comment in the comment and let me know what shifts for you when you regulate before you create. I'd love to hear your ritual, your challenges, your before and after comments. And if you want that guide to regulating yourself, just comment regulate or DM me. And here's to regulated, aligned energy, empowered tech using AI, and showing up as yourself every single time.